Yeah, welcome to Global Tech News. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to install and configure GNS3 and GNS3 VM Server. So GNS3 is a tool for network simulation, and setting up properly is crucial for seamless experience. Let's get started. Okay, before that, we need few things like a VMware workstation. Now it's completely free of cost for personal use, not for commercial. As you can see, this is a unlicensed personal use only and expire not applicable. For this video, I will give a link in the description. And next we need two more files. One is GNS3 setup file and GNS3 VMware. And both should be in the same version number. I have a 2.2.245 and the client software also 2.2.45. So I will give the official download link in the description as well. Next, let's start with installation of GNS3. So few things are there one by one because it's not like ordinary installation. We need to do few things in the middle of installation. Here you can see web client not required. So yeah, this is you don't need to check these two boxes because we are going to host the VMware GNS3 VM in a VMware, and we already downloaded the file. And web client, it's not required. Next. Yeah, its installation started. It will take few seconds. It depends upon your hardware. Hardware. Yep. So this is nmap and install. Meanwhile, we'll extract the work VMware file also. Yep, it's done. Finish. Now it's installing Wireshark. Yeah, people who learning CCNA or going to launch CCNA, Wireshark is a very important tool for capturing or planning packets. Let's cancel this now because it's showing 3 hours. I don't know what went wrong. Let's skip the Wireshark. We can install Wireshark standalone. That's not a big problem. It might due to the Wireshark thing, but I don't know. Wireshark server has to support. Okay, I think it's done. No, yeah, that is putty. Let's start later. Finish. Now we'll install the VMware. Open a virtual machine. Go to desktop. GNS3. GNS3. Here I can choose the location of VMware folder where you want to install this. I'll keep test documents and default location because people will install the VM virtual machines in the C drive itself. If the C drive is very less, storage is very less, it will consume more space. Okay, let it. Let's import. Here we go. GNS3 is here. Okay. Let's open the GNS3 as well. Let's edit this. Host only, that's fine. We'll discuss about that later. And it's the RAM dependency and all which you wish. Depends upon the your hardware. You can keep the RAM as a 4 GB and processor 2 core, 3 core, 4 core. It's yours. Okay. One only because mine is just a dual core. Now we need to start this mission. Yep, this is setup dialog window. You can see here run appliance on the virtual machine, appliance on the local computer, remote server. Here we are going to run the mission on a virtual machine. Click on don't show again, cancel. If you want to update it, but updates will cause issues sometimes because I faced a lot, that's why. Okay, let's go to preference and JNS3 VM, enable GNS3 VM. Here, if you're using VirtualBox, you can choose VirtualBox. Now I'm using VMware Workstation. Go to Workstation, and you can see if you choose VMware VirtualBox, yeah, nothing is there. So I will go to VMware Workstation now. Click on refresh. You can see my machine now. Same name which I created. See now here it obtains some IP also. It's a host only virtual adapter IP. Okay. So yeah, it's communicating properly. And click on OK. Let's see whether the host is coming or not. Let's go. Yeah, you can see for the server and client are up. This is my desktop. This is my GNS3 VM. Okay. So yeah, if it's not working, go to edit and preference GNS3 VM. Check here. If anything went wrong, then only the VMware won't connect. Okay. Now it's working fine. This is how we can install GNS3 and configure GNS3 VM server. Why we need a dedicated GNS3 client and GNS3 VM server? Uh, the thing is, um, like sometimes your laptop may be having a less resource, and maybe it will crash the actual driver inside your machine. To avoid such circumstances, like situations, we need a VMware. That's what. That's why. That's why we are hosting few VM like GNS3 appliances on GNS3 VM server. Okay, see here. It will allow users to create a test complex network topology to provide a dedicated environment with optimal performance. That's why we are using a GNS3 VM server. And it will isolate the appliances from the actual your laptop with host. And resource will be optimally used and and you we can move the virtual machine GNS3 virtual machine. See if the appliances everything is packed in a single machine, you can go to the location. See, this is the location. If the machine is filled down, or if you want to share the complete VM with your friend, just copy it and paste it and share with anyone. So the complete pack will be shared. We can give it to someone. And compatibility. Maybe your laptop doesn't have the compatibility for installing heavy appliances and all. We'll see in future. So that's why we are using VM. It's having a lot of features and use cases are there. Let's discuss in future videos. And for today, this is it. And if you close this GNS3, it will shut down the VMware also. Let's see. Okay. Okay, once it is closed, it will shut down the VMware as well. Yep. Cool, right? Okay then. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. If you have any comments and doubts, put it on the comment. We'll discuss. Thank you. Bye bye.